How to create a LinkedIn account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how we can create a LinkedIn account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, creating a LinkedIn account, as it seems, is a fairly simple task, but it might take quite a time. So all you have to do is open up the LinkedIn application, make sure that you've downloaded it obviously. Now there are a couple of ways to actually create a LinkedIn account. Now it says that if you have an account you can sign in. Before we try to create an account, there are two ways on how you can do it in very short way. One is that if you use your Google account frequently, you can just continue and link your LinkedIn account using your Google account over here. The other is that you can just go ahead and continue with your Facebook account here. But if you want to do that, that's completely fine, and you'll just have to tap on the continue option. But as for this, I'm going to create an independent account, so I will just tap on the agree and join option. Now obviously the first thing you have to do is enter your first name and make sure to enter your last name. Do not enter a nickname or anything, because LinkedIn is actually a really professional platform. You at least want to make sure to enter your business name or maybe yours name in that case. So now just tap on the continue option. Now it will ask us to add an email address or a phone number. If you're comfortable using a phone number, you can use a phone number. If you're comfortable using an email address, you can just go ahead and then do that. So let me just go ahead and then basically enter my email address over here. Once I've entered my email address, by the way, make sure you have access to this email address. Then just tap on the continue option. It will ask us to create a password of 6 or more characters. Now I'm just going to cut this part so that you don't see my password, so just make sure to enter your password that you might remember. Once you've entered your password, if you want the LinkedIn platform to remember you so that next time you don't have to enter your password, you can check this option, or you can just directly tap on the continue option, as you'd be able to find. Now once you've done this, you'll be able to see, let's do a quick security check over here, and right over here you'll be able to see the verification puzzle. Now this is just done to verify the captcha. You might have a different captcha than mine, so this is something that you just need to use a bit of your own sense. It just pick the image that is up in the correct way, so I'll just select this one here. It might also give me another question if the first one was a mistake. Now once I've done, you can say it will ask us to confirm our location. You might want to go ahead and then do that, then tap on the continue or the next option here. Now it will ask you, your profile helps you discover people and opportunities. If you're a student, you can select yes option. If you're not a student, you can turn on this option. You can enter your most recent job title over here. So let me also go ahead and then basically make sure to enter my job title here, which is my most recent. Then it'll ask us an employment type. It was a full-time, so I'll select that. It will also ask you to basically enter your company name, so you might want to make sure to do that as well. And once you've done that, you can just tap on this little option, then tap on the next option. Once you've done this, it will ask you to add a photo. Now in this photo section, just add something that looks very professional and clean. You don't want a picture that you took on a beach or maybe on your vacation. That's not how LinkedIn works. If possible, you can try to use a plain background. For now, you can also skip this if you want to, but I'll just go ahead and complete it to show you guys. I'll tap on add a photo, take a photo, allow the access to your gallery, and allow all, then tap on this little option. Now I currently don't have a photo on my gallery that looks professional, so I'm just going to choose a random dummy one in this case, and I'll just tap the add option, right? But if you want, then you can go ahead and customize everything. You can add a filter, you can adjust, and you can go ahead and add some brightness, contrast, saturation, and so on, and just tap the save option. Now remember, I'm only choosing this because right now I don't have a picture in my gallery, because this is not my primary device. Now just tap on the next option here, and once you tap on next, it will ask you to enter the verification code. Now if you had entered your email address in the previous step, it will ask you to enter the verification code sent to email. If you had entered your phone number, you have to check on your SMS, but in my case it was email, so I'll just go ahead and then open up my mailbox, just log into that respective email and refresh it to see if I get any sort of email from LinkedIn. As you can see, I have got my pin, so I'll just go ahead and then copy this particular pin here, and I'll just come back over here and I'll just go ahead and then paste it. Then it will verify, the email will be confirmed. Now it will ask me, are you actively looking for a job? Now if you select yes, your profile is going to be more visible to recruiters who are looking to hire. If you select no, but would really consider the right opportunity, it will just lessen that process, so you can tap on next. Again, as I'm saying, you can skip all of this process and you can add them later on, and you can say you're open to remote work or something. You can check that, then tap the next option. Yeah, now get notified when new jobs are posted based on your job title that you entered previously on the previous step, or you can can tap on the next option. It says let recruiters know you're open to new jobs, and then here also you can just tap on the next option. Now this is also really important. It will ask you to connect with some of the people. If you want to connect with those people, that's perfectly fine. You can just simply send them a connection request so that you can get connected with them, and after this you can simply go ahead and then basically skip all of this process over here as well. You can also follow some interest. It will find some new jobs for me, and you can also allow a push notification. As you can see, our LinkedIn account is successfully created. If anytime in the future, let's say you want to edit something about your profile, you can just tap on your profile icon from the top left, then simply go to this option called view profile, where you'll be able to customize most of its settings. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can create a LinkedIn account. I hope that this video was helpful and helped to get started on LinkedIn. We will also be posting more tutorials like this, so do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.